How to find your purpose. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. God did not create us insignificant. We have a purpose. You have a purpose. Discover your worth. The process requires plenty of self-reflection, listening to others, and finding where your passion lies. These are the strategies that can help you reveal or find your purpose so you can begin living a more meaningful life. Number 1. Donate time, money, or talent. Altruistic behaviors could include volunteering for a non-profit organization, donating money to causes you care about, or simply helping out the people around you on a day-to-day basis. Whether you decide to spend 2 Saturdays a month serving meals in a soup kitchen, or you volunteer to drive your elderly neighbor to the grocery store once a week, doing something kind for others can make you feel as though your life has meaning. Number 2. Listen to feedback. It can be hard to recognize the things you feel passionate about sometimes. After all, you probably like to do many different things, and the things you love to do may have become so ingrained in your life that you don't realize how important those things are. Fortunately, other people might be able to give you some insight. There's a good chance you're already displaying your passion and purpose to those around you without even realizing it. You might choose to reach out to people and ask what reminds them of you, or what they think of when you enter their mind. Or you might take note when someone pays you a compliment or makes an observation about you. Write those observations down and look for patterns. Whether people think of you as a great entertainer, or they say you have a passion for helping the elderly, hearing others say what they notice about you might reinforce some of the passions you've already been engaging in. Number 3. Surround yourself with positive people. As the saying goes, you are the company you keep. What do you have in common with the people who you choose to be around? Don't think about coworkers or family members you feel obliged to see. Think about the people you choose to spend time with, outside of work and outside of family functions. The people you surround yourself with say something about you. If you're surrounded by people who are making positive change, you might draw from them their inspiration. On the other hand, if the people around you are negative individuals who drag you down, you might want to make some changes. It's hard to feel passionate and purposeful when you're surrounded by people who aren't interested in making positive contributions. Number 4. Start conversations with new people. It's easy to browse social media while you're alone on the subway or sitting at a bar waiting for a friend. Resist that urge. Instead, take the time to talk to the people around you. Ask them if they are working on any projects or what they like to do for fun. Talk to them about organizations with which they are involved, or if they like to donate to any particular cause. Even though striking up conversations with strangers may feel awkward at first, talking to people outside of your immediate social circle can open your eyes to activities, causes, or career opportunities that you never even knew existed. You might discover new activities to explore or different places to visit, and those activities might be key to helping you find your purpose. Number 5. Explore your interests. Explore your interests. Is there a topic that you are regularly talking about in a Facebook status update or in a tweet? Are you regularly sharing articles about climate change or refugees? Are there pictures on Instagram of you engaging in a particular activity over and over, such as gardening or performing? Consider the conversations you enjoy holding with people the most when you're meeting face to face. Do you like talking about history, or do you prefer sharing the latest money-saving tips you discovered? These things you like to talk about and the things you enjoy sharing on social media may reveal things that give you purpose in life. Number 6. Consider injustices that bother you. Many people have their pet causes or passion projects that surround an injustice in the world. Is there anything that makes you so deeply unhappy to think about that it bothers you to the core? It might be animal welfare, a particular civil rights issue, or childhood obesity organizations. Perhaps the idea of senior citizens spending their holidays alone makes you weepy, or you think that substance abusers need more rehabilitation opportunities. The organizations are out there and they need your help. You don't necessarily have to engage in your purpose full time. You might find your career gives you the ability to afford to help a cause you feel passionate about, or you might find that you are able to donate time as opposed to money to give to a cause that you believe in. Finding your purpose isn't something that can be done in a few days, weeks, or months. It can be a lifelong journey, and it can only be done one step at a time. You also might find that your purpose changes over time. Perhaps you like working with animals in your youth, but now you want to join forces with a cause that fights human trafficking. You can definitely have more than one purpose too. Keep in mind, your purpose doesn't necessarily mean you have to change what you're doing already. If you give haircuts to people, you might decide your purpose in life is to help others feel beautiful.
I feel as though I've wasted my life and I'm halfway through it, they said. I don't know what my life is all about. Now, I was privileged to go to Yale, and we were standing on a summer evening in the middle of Yale's old campus, and the people that I was speaking with were privileged and highly educated and financially well off and in positions of power. And they had the first house and the second house, and they had the first spouse and the second spouse. And 80% of them were unhappy with their lives.
For the time being, that's all I have to say. Take a break. You're in desperate need of one. Thank you very much for staying with us all the way to the end. I hope you had a good time watching it. If you want to learn more, follow the links. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and set on post notifications to be notified when new videos are posted. Keep an eye out for the next video, and we'll see you then.